What? What were you gonna say? Mama got mad, you kicked your diaper? Do it. Do it. Let me hear you do it. Let me hear you do it. Stop kicking. You stop kicking. Feet. Yeah? Tell me what you just told me. Tell me what you just told me. Is that right? Do it again. Do it again. Are you gonna do it one more time for Mama? Are you mad? Are you frustrated? Oh. Okay, now it's sad.